Hello, my name is Ray Soriano, and today I will be filming my first video assignment in the language of anatomy for BIO235 Human Anatomy, which I'm currently taking at University College. There is going to be 3 parts in this video. The first part is the body regions and anatomical terminology. The second part is directional terms, and the third part is abdominopelvic regions. Let's get started. Alright, so first part, the body regions and anatomical terminology. First one is the hallux, and that's the big toe. That's this right here. Second word is axillary, which is the armpit. There it is right there. The third term is buccals, which is the cheek. Next is pollex, which is the thumb. Next is patellar, which is the front of the knee. Then we have oral, which is around the mouth. Mental, which is the chin. Brachial is the upper arm. Antebrachial is the lower arm. Crural is the leg. Umbilical is the region around the navel, so this area right here. Femoral is the thigh. Calcaneal is the heel. Let me just turn this around, which will be this right here. Then we have the sural, which is the calf. Popliteal, which is the back of the knee. Olecranon is the back of the elbow. Acromial is the point of the shoulder. And lastly, occipital is the back of the head. Okay, next I will be demonstrating the following terms. The head is superior to the sternum, so it's towards the head. The olecranon, which is the back of the elbow, is distal or farther from the acromion, which is the point of the shoulder. The axilla, which is the armpit, is proximal or closer to the brachium, which is the upper arm. The nose is medial or midline to the eyes. The elbow is proximal or closer to the carpus, which is the inner wrist. The sternum is anterior or front of to the vertebral column, just the mid-back. So this area right here. The umbilicus, which is this region right here, is inferior or away from the sternum. The patella, which is the front of the knee, is proximal or closer to the tarsus, which is the ankle. Lastly, the ears are lateral or away from the nose. Okay, so lastly, the third part of the video is the abdominal pelvic region. So what I will be doing is naming the 9 regions in the abdominal area, and on top of that I will be naming 2 organs within that region. So let's start. Okay, let's name the abdominal pelvic regions. Here we have the left hypochondriac region, and here you will find the spleen and the diaphragm. Epigastric region, you will find the stomach and the liver. Right hypochondriac region, here you'll find the liver and the gallbladder. This is the left lumbar region, and here you'll find the descending colon of large intestine and small intestine. The umbilical region, and here you will find the transverse colon of large intestine and small intestine. The right lumbar region, here you will find the ascending colon of large intestine and the right kidney. The left iliac region, here you'll find the initial part of the sigmoid colon and the descending colon. The hypogastric region, here you will find the urinary bladder and ovaries, of course if you're a female. And lastly, the right iliac region, here you'll find the cecum and the appendix.